Hey, yeah, unlike you, I suck at coding. Here's my attempt at making a timekeeping device that indicates the passage of time, or what a normal person calls a clock. There is really no reason why I do this. Let's use Python, because it's superior. If you haven't already, now is a great time to install it. I will also use a library called PyQt5. If you are a semi-pro like me, don't bother creating a virtual environment. If nobody knows what I'm doing, how can they say it's wrong? How am I going to structure my code? Not really necessary in my case. Let's open my extremely contrasted visual code. I'll add the imports, sys and pyqt5. Now we start the real deal. Good enough. Yep, looks good. I'll just place it here and now I can finally tell the time. Also, if I turn my screen off, I can reflect on my own life choices.